Yo, good morning. Right then, let's see. What we can do. So we had a build up here. The build up sweep breaks to the upside, and then we're pulling back. So that's interesting. And we've got relatively equal highs here also. I went to sleep so late yesterday, but luckily I managed to wake up on time. Back from here all the way to back here. Actually, we've just taken this high here. Still valid. Actually, this place would be a good place to take a short. I would take that, but it just tapped into this demand zone here. But I don't like that. Maybe I can take with reduced risk actually. So yeah, let's just think about that. Suppose I could just take it with the usual 0.25. We did a build up, we did an extension out of it for a potential reversal to come down to here or to this zone. So that's what I'm thinking of shorts, just for that brief moment. I like this music actually, it's quite good. but now we just seen price took these lows on the lower time frame. So this is going to be interesting for the zone of reaction to see if it continues up or not. Well, price would have tapped into this anyway. I want price to go to that zone, not to this zone. See what happens. Where's the supply zone? Just here actually. The price may want to react from. Let's just go with that. M30. Oh, that's 3, not 30. Oh, damn it. 1 second. So that's the M30 zone. Yeah, I wouldn't. I'd probably go like about there. Yeah, about there. That's 50% of that zone. So for me, that's good enough. Oh, what happened to my stream? Okay, 1 second. Technical difficulties. Brief technical difficulties on the side of the music. So 1 second, gazes. There you go. Perfect. There's resting liquidity above, and same with this as well. It's risky to take these trades, but it's like yesterday, for example, the trade happened and it gave an entry and it worked out pretty good. You just gotta take what the market gives you in that sense. I could have taken that, but I really wanted to take it from there. I didn't want price to come deep into this demand zone, because it could just easily do that, tap into the demand zone and then continue up, you know. If it breaks this low, then we're okay, because it shows that we're still showing like movement to the downside. Whereas we tapped into the demand zone, we had a bullish candle and then we've ranged and it's like, oh, you know, bit sketchy indeed. Anyway, let's go to M2 on this. See what happens there. Go to M5 on here. Yeah, just wait here on M5 and see what happens. M1 and GJ. High low led to higher. High low led to high to high low led to high led to high low led to a high high. Just missed that zone, led to a lower low, and I'd like to see a lower high formed, and then a lower low, and then a lower high, and then we sell. So let's see what happens with this. Oh, see, look, price come up because it tapped into this demand zone here. And you see how it's pushing up now. That's why you have to be careful. The price may want to induce this and tap into this. Actually, I might want to delete the limit because if it's tapped into demand zone, I want to go higher. I'm going to delete that limit. Best to be safe. Just because it's easy for price action to do this. So this is a calculated decision. So example, high low led to a high high. It took this high. It skewed the liquidity to the left. It made a pullback into the demand zone. Now there's nothing stopping it from doing this. You know what I mean? So yeah, a bit of a confusing one. I might switch for longs then. Let me have a think. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that.
Everybody talks about the S&P 500.
If price was to come back to about here, we could consider going up.
Merger of two companies, Standard and Poor. While Standard isn't a
Stupid advert, 1 second. It's gonna hit the mainstream section anyway for now. Oh, hello, Lala. You didn't comment in the comments, so how am I supposed to know if you're here or not, you dummy? The normal response would be, hey, Bashy, how are you? It's me, Lala. Let's see what happens here now. I will come into that zone. So I didn't take this trade just because I knew price coming to demand zone and it could easily go to make a higher high, and then we got this zone right here. Yeah, this zone right here, which is one high, two highs, I think, equal highs. Relatively, yes. Yes. So that would make sense. Yep, see, prices coming in. How do you not have YouTube? Are you like 97 years old? Like, please tell me you're joking, please. I would like, if you're joking, then it's funny, but if you're serious, then what the hell, bro? What the hell? Okay, 3 minutes to London Open. Okay, the yen is falling relatively hard actually on the M1. Oh gosh, yeah. Oh gosh, yeah. Yen be like, no mate, I'm gonna fall off a cliff. I'm gonna fall off a cliff hard. Oh dear. Okay, yen, that's fine. Okay, price is rejecting from that zone. That's interesting. There's anything above? Oh yeah, there's loads of zones above. This could just be like collecting internal liquidity to move forward. And if I think about it, actually, yeah, that's much better actually. Yeah. So it makes sense that we got this build up of a channel here. We're gonna come down with momentum to take all of this, and we've taken this right here. So it would make sense for price to now potentially fuel its way to the upper side. It makes sense, but will it happen? I actually don't know. Now this is funny because Okay, I can chat. What makes sense? You're not even reading. Oh, is that your account? Wait, let me switch to that one there so I can see your comments better, innit? I've got two screens, one here and one. Let me just send you a picture really quick. Why is it? Oh damn, I didn't do allow replay.
How do you professionally tell your manager, stop micromanaging me?
Oh, you got a kid? I didn't know you had a kid.
But I would prefer to have a bit more
Oh damn, with the freaking. I didn't know you had a kid. That's cool anyway. But yeah, look at that picture. So I was looking at one side of the screen, you know, not this side. My bad. Nah, I don't think you did. There's nothing wrong with it. Obviously, you know, it's fine. No. I had a family. Raw, that's crazy, bro. Why didn't you tell me? You've never told me that. That's cool, bro. 14 and 10. Wow. You never told me any of that, bro. That's actually cool. I suppose it's personal, so I don't expect you to just come out and talk about stuff like family and stuff, you know. Nah. Honestly, I don't remember you telling me, unless you did, but I don't remember. Nah, I don't know. I don't think so. But anyway, yeah, it's easy to talk here because I'm on the stream and the microphone and everything set up. So it's just easier, you know, rather than going to my phone and I'm trying to work. So why are you awake? Shouldn't you be asleep? Easier for you, I should. What? Okay, price reacting from this zone is really annoying though. Is everyone gonna... No, they're only on the live stream. After the live stream ends, they can't find the chat because I don't have the stream active on the video when it's the live stream ends. You can see the stream, but you can't see the chat. Actually, you can see the chat. But all of my friends that come to my stream, they're from the UK, so they're not going to know who you are anyway. So I suppose it doesn't really matter. Oh, okay, got you. Wasn't expecting you to say that. Okay. I really wasn't expecting that. Oh dear. A little bit, yeah. And price is coming up. It's making higher, lower high to a lower low to a lower high to a higher low to a higher high to a higher low to a higher high to a higher low. So yeah, I think this zone's gonna fail. No, it's okay. I just wasn't expecting it. You know, it's one of those where you don't expect it and you're like, oh, okay. One of them. Teach me, sensei. 日本語の勉強しますか? あなたは日本語の勉強しますか? That means, are you studying Japanese? It's annoying because I stream in the hopes some of my friends turn up, but none of them turn up. Watashi wasta lala. Watashi wa lala desu. Watashi wa lala desu. I'm not your friend. I'm gonna ignore that comment. I think price wants to go bullish. Ish to the bull. It's a question you cannot. What? How is I'm not your friend a question? It's more of a statement. That makes sense. This gave a reaction, a false breaker structure, price come back in and then it whacked him. Yeah. That makes sense actually. 1 second. On the M5. Yeah. So if you look at it from the M5, this is what it did. That makes sense. But we didn't see you push down here. I'm still back in this zone. Because I'm here. Oh no, I said my friends often don't come here when I make the stream I hope they do, and then when you said I'm not your friend, I was like, huh? I got you now, I got you, I'm following. Listen, I woke up late and I've only slept like 6 hours, so if my brain is a bit it's okay. Oh, I didn't mean it like that. I meant like none of them come. Like yesterday I did the stream, 2 people came, which is fine because they're 2 friends, but like, no, for me 6 hours is not enough, bro. It's not. I need between 8.5 to 9 hours, because if I get less than that, I'm really grumpy. I don't know how I'm functioning right now. Mentally and everything, I don't know how I'm functioning. Bro, if normally if I get less than 8 to 8.5 hours, I'm proper annoyed and grumpy and stuff. Trust me, it's annoying. So price moved up in London Open 20. Oh, I'm really tempted to take a short from this supply zone. But I just don't like it when there's a zone above it. It's the only thing I don't like. mind, that's a big could be 2 round about here. Yeah. Price is coming, so let's see if it holds that zone or not. I think it's gonna go higher and take that zone, which is why I haven't taken this trade. Bashy, is that grey hair? It's the screen. Yeah, I've got grey hair, bro. I'm 32. I'm 33 in less than a month. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm gonna be 33 in like 3 weeks. Damn, that's bad. That's actually bad. You know, that's concerning. Oh dear. I've got quite a bit of grey hair, to be fair. Hey bro, people call me Silver Fox. So price is close to this zone, like so close to this zone. One price is close to this zone also. Come on, give me the sweep of this zone, please. Then we got no zone anywhere here that could be important. Yeah, nothing. I'm 15. Oh, it's far above. Far above. It might not even get anywhere near there. See what happens in it. You need a lot of self-control in this job, man. You can't just be eager and get ahead of yourself. You have to be really controlled. An old man, bro, tell me about it. But they say old is gold. You know what I mean? Old is gold. Let's go on to M1. Was that a better? Oh no, yeah, M2 would have definitely been the place to take this trade. But I didn't, because as I said, there's this zone just above. I don't like the fact that it's right there. And we've got a supply zone here on GBPCHF, so price might want to go higher on GBPCHF. Yen will probably follow that, possibly. And then if the Swiss franc goes up, I'm expecting the yen to go up in line with that. And then obviously GBPUSD is a bit weak right now, hence why CHF and yen are going up, which also makes sense why GBP can go up. Right, yeah. Who scam you? What do you mean? Oh, you read the thingy. Yeah, basically there's this YouTuber. He's a black guy from the UK. Sorry, Lala, but y'all people be whack. And he's a car guy and he's into cars and stuff like that, so I've always followed him. And then he started hanging around with some dude who does trading, which is what I'm doing here, and he does scams. And they did a whole thing where if you sign up with the broker, you deposit money, blah blah blah, they get a kickback from it. And because the YouTuber had like 1 million subscribers on YouTube or something, he scammed loads of people, and unfortunately I got caught within that. But I stuck at it because I've always knew that you can make money in this job, because I've had the understanding of this for about 4 or 5 years, because I have my own business which is related to import and export from the USA. And obviously because I'm British, I'm always aware of how the pound and the dollar, the price can fluctuate. So you might order some clothes and then 2 months later they're cheaper, or 2 months later they're more expensive because of the price difference. Yeah, I know. So that was kind of why I stuck at this and I started learning and studying it. So it's kind of good I got scammed, but bad I got scammed at the same time. I know you're American. What's the point of saying that? I know that. Okay, the price is coming to this zone, is consolidating, which means it's going to probably go through this zone and be a fail again. I think the zone for buys is actually going to be here because look at the volume. London Open comes, induces this liquidity, it moves with volume. Nah, but it could be coming to mitigate. Build up, inducement, build up, inducement, break a structure, mitigation with volume, possibly. He was African, innit? No, he's black British. I don't know where from. I don't know if he's Ugandan or Nigerian or whatever, but I know he's black British. His name's DMO DJ. Bro, the guy looks like 11:59 p.m. Literally, he looks like 11:59 p.m. But yeah, I don't like that guy. I used to like him because he was a YouTuber and his content was based around cars, and that's how he became popular. But when he started doing all these crypto scams and all this stuff, then I was like, nah, bro, no more respect for the guy. He scammed, I think, about 100,000 of his members of his followers, and then I think he made like 7 or 8 million, and then he went and bought a house in Dubai, and now he lives in Dubai. Because if he comes back to the UK, he's had so many court cases against him for scams that he'd probably get arrested. So he is technically a criminal. I'm not surprised. Money makes people do dumb things. Yeah, but I don't know what type in it. Africa's huge. You got like Caribbean, Ghana, Nigeria, Tanzania? Tanzania, isn't Tanzania? Yeah, Tanzania, South Africa. I know more African countries than that. Oh my god, I know more Africa. Nigeria, Ghana. Oh my god, bro, I know loads of African countries because I love the music. How in the world am I stuck right now? But yeah, anyway, yeah, he is dumb. He's an asshole. You know, asshole? He's an asshole. He's a very big asshole, you know. I don't like how price is consolidating in this range. It's gonna come down, take these lows, push. So yeah, but it's okay. Like I lost a few $1,000s. I think it's like $5,000-6,000. That was around this. You know when what's his name? DMO. Just type in YouTube DMO, and you have a black guy, yeah, with glasses who's pure hype, and everything he does is hype, and everything he does is energy, and he behaves like that. I even called him out because he come to the drag strip in the UK. Chad, Sudan. Chad, I don't class Sudan as African country. I class it more as a North African Arab country. Chad, I think, is also the same. Ethiopia, Cameroon, yes, they're obviously African countries. Ghana. You'll make more. You'll make more? What do you mean? I'll make more what? Sorry. This to me is so suspicious, bro. This price action is so suspicious. Oh, you got Burkina Faso, which I like that. Oh, Botswana. How did I know? How did I forget Botswana, bro? Botswana, Cameroon. Madagascar, oh my god, Malawi, Mali, Mauritius, Mauritania, Morocco is North African, Mozambique, Nigeria, I said Nigeria, Congo, I said Congo, Dominican Republic, I think I said Dominican. Oh, Rwanda, I don't know Rwanda, bro. The UK loves sending people to Rwanda. They're so bad. Oh, Djibouti, I don't know how you pronounce that. Senegal, oh my god, how did I forget Senegal? Somalia, yeah, that's African, yeah. South of Sudan, possibly, yeah. Yeah, Tanzania, yeah. Uganda, oh my god, Zambia, yeah, Zimbabwe, Kenya, my boy. Me, I forgot the African country, you know. Before me, I remember the African country, you know, but me, I no forget. Me, I forget many things over time. That's on Jamaican. I apologize for that.
Customer support, what can I do for you?
Yeah, I can't access my trading account. Can you help me?
Why is there advert on the YouTube? There we go. Let's come back to here. No way am I trusting high, low, let you high, high, let you high, low, let you low, high, let you low. No way am I trusting this. No, this is a trap. This is a trap. How many pips away are we from here? 24. We could make 24 pips actually from the bottom of. That's doable. 100% that's doable on GU. Turns out this one might have been the right one. Even though it looks so suspicious to me because you got a high right there. Like so suspicious. Just because the zone holds once doesn't mean it's gonna hold all the time. Because if I put any music that's anything different, it's gonna copyright me, you know. So I have to be mindful of music, if that makes sense, so I don't get in trouble, you know. I'd prefer something better, but I can't think of anything. All the music I want to play is gonna get copyrighted, you know. But yeah, that's DMO. I hate him now. It's actually a playlist called 80s Tokyo hip hop. So yeah. Do me a favor, like the video, like the stream, please. I would appreciate it. You don't have to subscribe because I don't think there's gonna be any benefit for you. But if you like the video, at least that helps. Thanks, mate. My son gonna be like, what the? Yeah, that's what I said. Just like the video, but don't subscribe or anything because yeah, that don't make no sense. This is my car content channel anyway. To be fair, I just started streaming on here for work. See how it goes. See, I'm so tired now, bro. Oh my god. Me too. I will sleep soon, Bash. Yeah, that's fine. Go when you want to go, innit? You know. I appreciate you coming. Good day, sir. Yeah, peace out, man. I don't want bags. Gotta stay young. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, peace out, Lala. Thanks for coming. Bye. Good night. Even if I switched to buys, I would have got swerved here. I would have got swerved here anyway. Here I might have actually got contact on there. Yeah, actually no, it wouldn't have. Okay, wouldn't. Depends on the spreads. If I would have been tagged on that, literally it depends on the spreads. So yeah, even if I switched to buys, it wouldn't have worked. Possibly anyway, likely. Prices being a bit slow. Let's mark out 930 on the charts. It. We got 1, 2, 3 relatively equal highs. I want like an actual sweep of that. Price came, induced this high. Price came here, and then it induced this high. I need to see a push to the downside. If we don't, then that means you're still bullish. With the sweep here, and then we have a $30 pips only. I don't know if it'll go that far. make the chart neater. Don't like messy charts. This is also a failure because it failed to make a high. This inducement is still valid. This is still also valid. I'm just marking out 930 on the charts. Oh look, it took it. See. There, get rid of that. Go to here. We got an M5 zone right here, which is where everyone's going to be looking to sell. So this zone is going to now be an invalid zone. And then we've taken these highs. We've got build up. This is good. It was like a nice sweep. Like a good 3 pips.
Summer's too short for second best. Garden goals? Hit them all with fresh new gear.
Oopsie, advert. Actually, wait. What am I saying? We took these lows. Yeah, we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lows. Oh well, 1, 2, 3 lows. Then we had a big push to upside. So buys might be valid up to the supply zone, but there was no entry anyway for buys. There was no entry. If you think 7 o'clock is here. Ooh. There. Build up, inducement. Yeah, it would have been this zone here to buy. But I wouldn't take that. It's just not enough for me. For Roy, it's not enough. Interesting. failing to make highs. This should have pushed higher and higher, but instead we're making lower highs. We got here till 9:30 anyway, so you got enough time for like stuff to calm down, I suppose. Yep, and broke that low. That's why we coming down to give us buys. Yeah, build up inducement. For potential opportunity for buys. Yeah, it could happen. And then we've got a 5-minute zone here where people think they're gonna sell from, but we know there's a zone just above it that needs to get taken anyway. So yeah, that makes sense. Actually, that does make a lot of sense. Let's get rid of that now.
Now it's even easier to sell for free on eBay.
All right, bro. Why don't you just calm down with the adverts and relax? Like a sheesh. The microphone's right here, which is what it's doing. I see a lot right there. And it just keeps giving fake breakout structures to the upper side to invite sellers in. Now isn't the time. Literally just missed the zone by 0.2. Why couldn't you have tapped in by like 2-3 pips? Why has it got to be annoying? In M2 the structure is so much more clean. But I believe this zone is fake. Actually, could stick the zone into here. Oh, big sneeze. Price is coming back up. Maybe tap the supply zone, come further down. You know what? Let's zoom into this better. Yeah, you go. is really trying to stay above that 136 level. I like that song. That beat was so good. Like, so good. Oh, look at the volume on GU, man. It's just pushing. There's no entry in GU. Even if I took that M1 minute entry, which wasn't really like a good structure, if that makes sense, I would have got tagged at break even anyway. So yeah, I think it's going to tap into that invalid zone, give a reaction, take that zone out, and then we can look for sells. Unless you come down first, and then you can look for buys up to the zone. I like the volume on this candle. 4 pips. It's actually quite low volume then, isn't it? This is 2 minutes as well, 2 minute chart. Yeah, the volume is actually quite low. Look at that, 1.3 pips for 2 candles. Ugh. This is pretty much a full candle. Yeah, so that's 3.5, so sort of 1.6 pips, 1.7 pips. Yeah, not much volume, is there? I was talking to myself on mute there. I said, why am I so good at calling invalid zones, but I'm crap at calling zones where to actually take a trade from? Oh dear. Price is literally chopping around. It's not really doing anything good at all. Maybe there might be something on GBPCHF. Maybe. Not yet though. Let me just... yeah. So this entire level got internally induced. This is internal liquidity, so the internal. So let's go to M2. There. They're kind of stuck there. Pound dollar, euro dollar, sorry, is this price action so bad.
Glenn's just used confused.com and doesn't have the thought of home insurance weighing him down anymore.
Can't believe we're getting married.
You're not getting married.
the ching ching happened, so let's have a look here. Okay. Sorry, I had it on mute. Hi. You can hear me now, yeah? Uh-huh. Yani, can you hear the noise in the background? Because my dad's parrot is too much. Tell me if you can hear it. Not yet. Do you hear that? Ah, okay. Yani it registers on the microphone. It's showing that it registers the sound. Sounds like, oh no. I wanted to take a trade here, but price is going. Why are you going? Don't go without me. Not fair. No, it's coming. Yeah, I know. What are you doing now? Are you still at the dentist or what? Comment on YouTube because I keep looking this way. Oh, my neck. Okay, thank you, Shukran. What are you doing? I want to buy from here and the price is wee. What are you doing? What the hell? Look, price is going up, just not sharing detail. Yeah, that's fine. In 10:15, I'll close the live stream anyway. And when you watch the video back, you can only see the comments here, like on the screen. You can't see the chat. So if I make it like this, then you can't see the chat, you know? So yeah. But I keep it like this because then I can look at my computer here and then look here and I can see the chat and what you can see, you know? Yeah, look, price is going. I was wanting to buy here. Look, it just need to come down little bit here and then pew, make a money. La hawla wala quwwata illa billah. Why you do this to me, you know? This job is too much good. It's make you too much like, what the hell? So yani Madat Tafali. So wait, how do you say what are you doing now? So Madat Tafali is like, what are you doing? So like, what are you doing now? No, how are you now? No, Madat Tafali. Yeah, how are you? Yeah. What are you doing? Sorry. Zizan? Wait, let me maximize the screen. So Mother Tafali Alan Alan Mother Tafali Alan is now number 2 is Oh, so it's ain, yeah. ماذا تفعلي ماذا تفعلي الآن الآن yeah. No, okay, try again. الآن ماذا تفعلي الآن, not الآن. Okay, let me mute. Oh, al-an. You the way you wrote it, it's like al-an, you know, so I got you. So al-an. Yeah, that's fine. That's al-ain, al-an, ain, al-an. Yeah, ماذا تفعلي al-an? Let me put that into my notes. So is al-an generally the word now? Yeah, in general terms now. La shay. Okay, that's fine. So let me put it into my notes. I'm gonna write it as L-A-L-A-I-N because I remember Al-Ain from Emirat. They have a city called Al-Ain. Thank you, shukran. So yes, but Al-Ain. Yeah, but the way I pronounce it is Al-Ain. Al-Ain means eyes. Yeah, so this is another word where the pronunciation is important. Got you. I got you. Send another voice note, 1 second. I got you. I understand. So the ain in al-ain, yani al-ain is the ain is means I, but al-an means just like al-an is like normal. Yeah, that means now. So al-an and al-ain, and yeah, got you. أنا أفهمك. It's like Amel and Ahmel and Amel. Same again. Thank you so much. يعني شكرا. وأنت معلم. يعني أنت ذكي جدا. لا ذكي أوي. Wait, how you say? Is it Uwi or Awi? The Egyptian one. Uwi or Awi? First Uwi or second Awi? Which one? First or second? Awi. Okay, yeah. Okay. Shukran Muallim. Yeah. I like when the Egyptians say Awi yani Latif Jiddan or Latif Awi. Oh! It's very cute. Very, very cute. So, okay, I wanted to buy up to here. But now, I cannot. Because the situation changed. How do you say why in Arabic? I forget how to say why. I know in Egyptian it's lay. I'm gonna cancel this trade because it's already gone. Goodbye. Khudafis. Assalamu alaikum. Limaza. Okay. So when you say mother, I say mother. Mother. That's right, mother, yeah. But I write it with the D, mada, but I pronounce mother. That's correct pronunciation, yeah. Okay. So why do you write Z? Is that Egyptian style because Egyptian have strong Z? Because the sound is the mother, yeah. I know, I'm saying I write D. When I send it, I say Mada. If you look, whenever I ask, I say Mada. Maza. Yeah, but Z is a strong sound. Z, Maza. I don't think Maza is correct, is it? I think it's Mother. Mother Tafali. Not Maza Tafali. Because Z is strong in English. Yeah. So it's more like Mother, like TH, like MATH, Mother. Like more like that, the pronunciation. Because the Z is a such strong letter, you know? Yeah. I got it. Yani, so what do you say? Limada. Ah, sa. Okay. Shukra. Yeah, because you know in English, like the Z is a strong letter, is Z. Yani it's really strong letter. It's like, you know, with Arabic you have P, you don't have a P, you have a B, but the P in the English is a really strong letter. B, P, Porsche, Borsche, like it's strong, like, you know. Yeah, you're most welcome. Look, man, I wanted to buy from here and go all the way here. What the hell? Now I need to look for the sell. So, Sarah, look how price is, Hura, yeah? Is go up and then stick in the middle, like this one here, yeah? Is just like stick in the middle, it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it's just stick in the middle. Yani, this is annoying because it doesn't tell you which direction it goes, if you want to go up, if you want to go down. Yani, if price is stuck in the middle, how you can make money? Because you make money when it go up or you make money when it go down. You understand? So now it's just stuck. Like if I make a box, I'll draw a box from here all the way to here. See, is in the box, stuck in the box. You see? Yani khara. Whereas before it was good, it was going up and then it come down a little bit, then it go up, then it come down a little bit, then it go up, then it come down a little bit, then it go up, down, up, big down, big up, and then just stuck. Yani how do you say it's annoying? هذا موجز هذا موزج هذا موزج is the Z in the موزج th هذا موثج هذا موثج هذا موثج أو هذا موذج هذا موذج it's no it's only Z oh هذا موزج هذا موزج هذا موزج and the J is it هذا موزج yeah like that's the right pronunciation هذا موزج sounds like I did good or said good, so that's okay. Let me put that into my notes also.
A broadband customer who wrestled with destiny triumphed over the giant.
Where's my notes again? And that means that's annoying. هذا موزج هذا بيز take your time خذي وقتك And this parrot that my dad's got, I want to slap it around the head. It's so annoying. unnecessary. Prices being so bad, it's not giving much on EU or GU. I'm just gonna switch to the M5 now, just because look at that, it's not doing much at all. Oh dear. So it's come to the supply zone now. That one was a bit quick, to be honest.
Get iPhone 16 Pro in the Vodafone summer sale and save up to £708 when you trade in. Yours from £22.50 per month. Hurry, ends 10th of July. Go in-store or search Vodafone iPhone 16 Pro.
Wow, the price action's really bad. Oh my god, really struggling here. Oh my god, it's 17:10. I'm done. I'm sure that's gonna get whacked. Are you confident this is gonna get whacked later on? Probably about what? Yeah, about 2:30. There you go. Actually, no. Say 3. Right, I'm gonna end the stream here. There's nothing more to happen, so it's 20:10, so I'm done. Thanks for everyone who came, commented and everything. Have a good one. Peace out. Bye.